Good evening. I thank the organizer for giving me the opportunity to participate in this conference and make my presentation. My presentation will focus on how Sandwatch can contribute to global ocean data and products to adapt to climate change and educate for sustainable development. First, let us see what is Sandwatch. Sandwatch is an educational process which empowers youth, student, local communities, non-governmental and community-based organizations to work together, monitor, and enhance their beach environment. It involves the collection of data and information on different beach and ocean parameters, such as beach erosion and accretion, water quality with measurement of salinity, nitrates, phosphate, conductivity, beach composition and sand type, longshore current, waves, winds, sea surface temperature, and type of weather, and so on. Once data and information collected or analyzed, the products are used to identify the problems facing the beach, and solution to address them could then be proposed. Sandwatch can then be considered as a citizen science tool which enhances awareness on the fragile nature of the beach and has vast potential to contribute to data and information for the protection of coastal resources and ecosystems. Hence, it is a good source of ocean data and products which can be archived and integrated within the IOD framework. Sandwatch started as a concept back in 1998 during a Caribbean Ocean workshop organized by UNESCO, when it was realized to what extent human activities, climate, were impacting on marine resources and ecosystem. And participants decided that something should be done about it. This is how the idea, which became eventually Sandwatch, emerged. It formally started in 2001 with a training workshop in Saint Lucia in the Caribbean, sponsored by UNESCO. It was gradually developed and strengthened and was extended to other Indian and Pacific Ocean countries in collaboration with the Sandwatch Foundation. It is now an international activity and it being implemented in more than 55 countries. The Sandwatch approach is based on the principle known by the acronym MAST. The M stands for monitoring of different beach parameters I mentioned above. The A, analysis of data and information collected in the process. S, sharing the data, information and products to a large audience. And finally, T, key action that needs to be taken once problem has been identified. On this slide, you will see on the photo on the left, student taking readings from a simple instrument based on the physical principle of communicating vessel to map beach profile. And on the right, students and teachers taking reading of water quality from a simple portable recording instrument. Once data are collected, they are analyzed in class, which those students are doing in order to obtain tables, graphs, and other products. If a set of data over months and years are available, trends and impacts of climate change could be identified. To benefit a wide range of students and generate discussion, the results are shared with students of the school and other schools or with a larger audience so that the problems could be identified and action to be taken and discussed. You can see in the slide the students are doing. Concerning action to be taken, students, teachers, and local communities, you can see in that slide, is cleaning the beach This is the solution identified. And in the picture on the left, student and local communities are planting mangroves to address the problem of coastal erosion and enhance diminishing fish stock. To archive on a permanent basis and in the data, an international database has been developed as from 2005 and regularly improved, the purpose of which is to enter data and information, analyze them, and share the monitoring data and products at national, regional, and international level. It uses the Flash operating system to manage and access the data. However, as from December 2020, Flash has been released as an open source application. And for security reasons, the database has stopped using it to manage and access data. However, the database still exists, but users, unfortunately, are not able to access it through the existing browser. To address the issue, a new database called Beach Resort is being developed by the Sandwatch Foundation. It can be used on laptops, tablets, and mobile phone. It will be user-friendly and will provide facilities to record and share data and enables local communities to apply the scientific observation and measurement to contribute to proper beach management. UNESCO is currently planning to conduct a survey to assess the current status of Sandwatch at the global level. A questionnaire has already been prepared, which will be sent to all the small island developing states to fill. The feedback will be used to prepare a report, including a list of recommendations on what needs to be done to develop further and strengthen Sandwatch globally. To conclude, it can be stated that Sandwatch has wide potential to contribute to scientific data and information, to monitor impacts of climate change and unknown resources, and help in wide management of the marine environment. UNESCO and Sandwatch Foundation are looking much forward within the scientific citizen framework to participate in the ocean and information system which IOD intends to develop. I thank you for your attention.